preposition tells us where a person, an animal or a thing. Example: on, in, under, behind, between, beside, etc. These are called preposition words. Come to the worksheet. You can see a rabbit over here with the changing positions. Let's find out his correct positions. Come to the first picture. Rabbit is dash the hat. Where is the rabbit? Is it in the hat or under the hat? Yes, rabbit is in the hat. Write in. I-N-N. Next picture. Rabbit is dash the table. On the table. Over here write on. O-N, on. Next one. Rabbit is dash the table. Where is the rabbit? Is it beside the table or under the table? You are right. It is under the table. Write spelling of under. U-N-D-E-R, under. Come to the fourth picture. See, where is the rabbit? Rabbit is, yes, beside the tree. Here write beside. B-E-S-I-D-E, beside. What can you see in this picture? Yes, there are two trees. And where is the rabbit? Yes, rabbit is between the trees. On this line, we will write between. B-E-T-W-E-E-N, between. In the last picture, where is the rabbit? Is it on the tree or behind the tree? Yes, rabbit is behind the tree. And write behind over here. B-E-H-I-N-D, behind. Excellent work. Take care. Bye-bye.